Hi there. So sometimes we don't want to let our user to book a form or event or even for something in the past date. So suppose we are offering an event when a user comes to the event page or the booking page, they will have to submit some personal information and also select the booking date. So it could be booking for the restaurant, it could be booking for a something else which is might be used for the future date. And sometimes we also might not want to let our user to book on the same date. So there has two different cases. One is we would like to only allow user to book for the future date. Another is book for the future date including the today's that means current date. So let's see how we can do. So by default, there has no option with Ninja Forms and its advanced date picker option. We will use some custom code for this reason. So if you go back, and here is our form. So let's open a new tab. Here is our form. So we can also set this to the current date, but this will also allow user to the book in the previous or the past date. So I have a code snippet that has two code snippet I have on my guest. So if you visit guest.github.com/Faisal Ahmed, you will find total 111, that means 102 plus guest here. You can pick any of those which might help you. But for today, we will going to use this one. So there is two. One is to use to just all forms on our website, and it will only allow user to book for the future date. So let's try. So to add custom code on your website, you can try your child theme script file, or if you would like to, you can try a custom CSS or JavaScript plugin. So I'm going with this one. You can follow my previous video about this plugin. So this time I'm going to add custom JavaScript. So let's only allow future date. So delete all, paste the code. Then you can select this is an external file or the internal file. It's totally up to you, and it should be on the footer, and it only should be execute on the front end. So let's publish. And if you go back to the form, just click to reload. And now you will see no changes has been made. Oh, sorry, I did not copy the whole code. That is the whole code I should paste. Okay. And this one we can use to apply this code only specific form, or if you don't run this condition, then you can apply this code to the all form. For now, let's apply this code on a specific form. So you can go back to the form page where you will find the form ID, or if you even inspect element on the page, if you scroll to the top, you will find the form ID here. This is the complete form ID. So we can just replace 185 with just 1, then click to update, and let's reload it again. And you see all the future date has been blocked. So if you see it's 24, and it only allowed to book from 25. So this is how you can allow user to only book for the future date, but not for the past date. But if you would like to also allow the user to book for today, that means current date, you can just delete this one. So that means we get current date as a new date. That means it will be initiate a new date to our variable. Then we use this date, and when you would like to block for a week, so suppose you don't want to allow user to book for today or tomorrow, you only allow to book from the next 7 days. So if you just add +7 and click to update, it will allow user to book from the future 7 days. So you see, so it can be only book from the next 7 days. So this is how you can fully control the form and the date option using this custom code. Here you will find another code. This will only allow the future date, that means block the past date, and another code is this one is only allow the future date. So it could be sounds like a bit similar, but when you disable the past date, that means it will also allow to the today's about current date, but for the future date, that means it will only allow to book from the tomorrow, not for today. So thanks for watching the video, and if you would like to see more the tricks about Ninja Forms, Gravity Forms, or another forms, you can comment below. I'll try my best to create another video for you guys. Thank you so much.